Hey guys, it's me again. Another review, just like last video. But this time it's for the gingerbread ornaments. Yay! My mom got this for me yesterday to decorate the Christmas tree in my room, which I'm not showing you. Anywho, so 3 gingerbread thingies, and you can decorate them any way you want. So that's what I did. Now, here are all of my disgusting, horrible creations. First up is Slob Woo, reference to Sensei Wu from Ninjago. Yeah, but this time he has no hat and has food all over him because he's a slob. Yeah, I have no idea why I made this. I was like, I don't really have that much. Like, no, let's just go ahead. I didn't really have that much creative things. Whatever. So yeah, I'm actually gonna give it. Also, this guy's named Jerry. Because why not? Except is this one. It's a girl because pink. All girls love pink. As far as I'm concerned. Anywho. So yeah. Not that much. Yeah. Also, this is what the backs of all the gingerbreads look like. Yeah, it looks like an exoskeleton. So yeah, I think I'll name her, I don't know, Jenny? Maybe? Yeah, we'll name her Jenny. So, last but not least is, I don't even know what I made. I don't even know what he's supposed to be. I know it's like a farmer. I give him like kind of overalls, and I don't even know what this is supposed to be. I just put it there. Why? I guess I could name him Big Chungus, but I'm not. I'm going to name him Tom. Yeah. I tried to give him overalls, but I saw these green strips that fit perfectly in here, and I was like, yeah, I gotta do it like separate pieces. Yeah, I just did that. Why did I do this? Yeah, I should have just went with the box art. That would have been better than my creations. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Bye.